Now, what if you're given something like 185%? Notice that this percent is greater than 100, right? So it looks a little bit difficult. Now we have to convert it to a fraction or a mixed number in simplest form. So first things first, you can just go ahead and convert it to a decimal, right? So when I'm giving a percent greater than 100, I'm just going to convert it to decimal first. So 185, it's a whole number, so the decimal point is really in the back, right? So I'm just going to rewrite it. 185 decimal point percent. Same thing as how it's written, right? I'm going to take it and remove the percent. When I remove the percent, I'm basically saying I'm going to divide it by 100 because that's what the word percent means. Like per cent, like there's 100 cents in a dollar, so you're dividing by cents. So when you divide by cents, you're really shifting two places over to the left. Now you're left with 1.85, right? And how do we pronounce this? This is 1 and 85 hundredths, right? So if we were to write this as a fraction, it would be 1 whole and 85 over 100. So I'm using the pronunciation 85 hundredths as how I'm going to write it as a fraction. So it'll be 85 over 100, right? And now I'm just going to simplify because it said to find it in simplest form. So I'm going to ask myself what goes into 85 and 100. Well, easily it's 5, right? And 85 divided by 5 will be 17, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So it will be 1 and 17 twentieths. So notice that when I'm given a percent greater than 100, first thing I do is isolate the whole number, which is 1, right? If you notice, right? And then go ahead and work with the other part, right? The remaining part left over, right? So just make sure that that's what you do too. Isolate the whole number and then just work with the part that's left over and convert that into a smaller fraction. And then from there simplify. And then when you're done with that, just add it back to the whole number and then it'll be like the whole number and then the fraction in simplest form.